Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Vivo Y20s. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 30,000 PK on Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and you can see. And guys, here is the box of the Vivo Y20s. Looks very similar to the Vivo Y51. On the back we get more specification about the phone, and you can see we have a 18-watt fast charging on this phone, and also we have a 5000 mAh battery size as well as a triple cameras on the back. And the color I have is the purest blue color. So now let's quickly open this box, and this phone also gave you a Snapdragon 460 chipset as compared to a MediaTek Helio P35 that we see on the Vivo Y20. And now let's quickly open this box, and you can see on the front we get these lines. Now let's open this box, and you can see on the front we get this one more mini box. It says that Vivo Y20s. And guys, inside of this little box we get a simulation tool, and you can see, and also we have a quick start guide in the Urdu language. That's a really unique thing on this phone. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Vivo Y20s, and here is the device Vivo Y20s. And you can see on the back we get this beautiful blue color. Now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box, and you can see in the first up we get this adapter. And now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see we get a 9V with a 2 ampere, and this adapter is gonna charge your phone maximum at 18 watt. And we get a fast charging with the Vivo Y20s. And here is the cable, and we get a USB Type-C cable, I believe. And you can see we don't get USB Type-C cable. Instead we get a micro USB cable on the Vivo Y20s. You can see we don't get any headphones with the Vivo Y20s. And guys, now let's put everything inside the box back, and now let's see the Vivo Y20s. And you can see here is the Vivo Y20s. And now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Vivo Y20s. And you can see this blue color looks really beautiful. And you can see on the back we get this matte finish, although the back is made up of plastic, and also the frame of this phone as well. On the back we get a triple cameras as you can see. And guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up, and you can see now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And you can see on the bottom we get a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we get a SIM tray. On the top we get nothing. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner which is also work as a power on a button. On the front we get a 6.4-inch display, I believe, and also we have a 720p IPS LCD display on this phone. And also we get a 60Hz refresh rate, and also we get a water drop notch. And guys, now let's quickly set up this phone up. Okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo Y20s, and you can see. And again on the front we get a 720p IPS LCD display, and also we get this new Vivo UI on this phone. It is not the latest version of the FunTouch OS, and the Vivo Y20 give you a FunTouch OS version 11. Now let's see the Android version on this phone first. And you can see that in the settings it is not like a stock Android about phone, and you can see this phone it is running on Android 10, and you can see. And also we have a FunTouch OS version 10.5. We have 128 GB of internal storage out of 113 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's see the SIM tray, and you can see that we can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast. Also we have a 5000 mAh battery size on this phone with 18-watt fast charging, and this phone give you at least 1.5 day of battery life without any problem. And also we get a Snapdragon 460 chipset, which is not a really hungry chipset. Now let's check out the camera. And guys, on the back we get a triple cameras, and the main sensor on the back is a 13 megapixel. And also we have a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and you can see we also have a portrait mode. And now let's see the video recording size with the back camera first. And the camera, it is really bad on this phone, and you can see you can record maximum full HD at 30 fps. Now let's go back, and in the mode section we also have a slow motion on this phone, 120 fps slow-mo. Now let's see the front camera, and guys, on the front we get 8 megapixel selfie camera, I believe. I'm not sure about that. And guys, on the front camera also shoot maximum a full HD at 30 fps, and also we don't get any night mode on the Vivo Y20s, and you can see. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y20s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.